Hi, my name is Christine and I'm a registered nurse, wound and ostomy specialist, and I'd like to talk with you about the Convex Mio Flip. This product is made for people who have a peristomal hernia, and it's beautiful. See how it's curved? It's meant to wrap right around your the peristomal hernia curve. So how you would apply this is you would cut it to fit your stoma. You're going to prep your skin as you normally do, and you're going to place this against the stoma, okay? Petals should be facing outward. Once this is placed, you're going to just peel these petals backwards. So now it curves right around that peristomal hernia. So here is where your peristomal skin is, right around that curve. So this is the Coloplast Mio Flip. It is available in 1 or 2-piece systems, and both these products are available on HPFY.